Ever got your bit stuck in your tool? Well, I think what's happened here is been over tightened, and it's cheap metal, and it's just mushed its way into the holder. I've seen some techniques floating around there on your old internet, so I'm going to try them. First one I seen was get your mold grips, put the collar forward, try and bang it out. I think I'll do that anyway, but put it in reverse in the vise, try and get out that way. If not, it's going to be your old mold grips, collar, because it's got a hex whatever on, get an adjustable on there, and then just try and bang it off. See if it works. First of all, we'll bang her in this vise. Put it in reverse. Oof. Tighter. Tighter. Hey. Bloody strong, isn't it? Not what I know. Nice and easy. You're looking at it. It's not even that mushed up. On them edges, they're pretty clean, I think. I mean, to be fair, that's hard material, that metal. Look at it. Has even changed shape. This has a tiny bit, not a lot. I want to risk it and put it back in. In fact, no, it is. It won't even go back in. Oh no, it will. Just needed some force brutality advice and that. Anyway, other methods was. Yep, and I've got other mold grips, these are at the hand, so you see the collars out. Push that forward. See a much tighter grip on there. You'd have your bit in. Probably grab it like that. Grab your hammer and smash. And your bit is out your tool.